Ford, but it is my godfather. Too bad it's a Ford, but he is my godfather. What? Yeah, I heard it, guy. I ain't that stupid. Look at battery died halfway doing the damn thing.
He's the winner. He's the winner of the pool.
Oh shit, you want to leave every year? It is qualifying eventually. How many times?
Hey!
I think I used to be hurt till back in the day. I said, now you
Drive the ox.
yeah, it's yachts.
One of those big monsters.
Funny.
Other side.
Fucking battery dies.
Third place, Kevin Silva.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Second place, Cynthia. Third place, Bucky Holland. Fourth place, Ryan Weiss. Fifth place, Eric Burke.
You know,
Ryan Wynn.
he takes a trophy, he usually gives you the ribbon, so stick around. Let's go. We'll do pedal pull.
Oh, man.
You're not allowed to always.
Ask how long it's going to
Next class up, all-wheel drive.
That's too short. They would do it. I'll just keep on.
Come on, come on.
Madison.
No.
Go
Go watch it. We want you to go.
Yeah, you know. Come on, no. Let's go to the pedal pull. Hey, if you don't stop at the mom shit, I'm not taking it. I belong to that church group. It's Christian. My mother got all pissed off. I converted from Catholic to Christian on purpose. I didn't belong to the singers, but I belonged to that church. Because of they would let my brother be my kid's godfather. Same priest, but when it was time for his daughter to be baptized, he decided to go Portuguese style, two godfathers. And the priest says, oh no, he's living a life of sin. He's living with a girl and he's not married. I'm like, but you were good enough to baptize my kid? What difference does that make? Oh, I forgot what it was. What the fuck is it? There used to be a song out, Living Life. Oh, what the hell was it? It was Living Life, something stupid. I blared it through that parking lot that day. My mother said, he invited himself to the dinner. I called him and I was making fun of him all the time. The whole night. Half the priests these days, the diddlers, all that bullshit. I converted Catholic right after that. Mother got all pissed off. I'm like, hey, at least they talk about what happened. You can understand them. You go to church, you can understand half that shit. What the fuck is that? At least over there, they talk about shit you don't understand. Come on, let's go pick a tractor. Come on. Did you hear? Okay, professor, que vem pro chá pra ouvir, não?
No, you gotta listen to him and do what he says, okay?
Even if the guy says stop, you just do what I tell you. Sign him up, hurry up, we're gonna be in line. I don't want to be here forever. Can't believe the freaking camera died now. You're not going on no pink one.